Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of personal finance and investing. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Now, one of the most common questions we receive is, where should I invest my money as a beginner? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore the top investment options for beginners in 2024. Let's get started. Investing may seem intimidating, but with the right guidance, anyone can start building wealth for the future. The key is to diversify your investments to manage risk effectively. Let's take a look at some of the best investment options for beginners. Investing in stocks can be both thrilling and rewarding. Consider starting with established companies or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for a balanced portfolio. Real estate offers steady passive income and potential appreciation over time. Explore real estate investment trusts, REITs, or consider rental properties for long-term growth. Mutual funds pool money from investors to create diversified portfolios managed by professionals. They're a great hands-off option for beginners looking to grow their wealth. Maximize contributions to retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs. Take advantage of employer matching and enjoy tax benefits while saving for retirement. There you have it, some of the top investment options for beginners in 2024. Remember, always do your own research and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share.